Special tool we put in, as you can see, it sits right back there. The same thing here. It sits right back there. Go on, there go the markings right here. Look, up here, bro. There go the markings. There go the other one. Go all the way down. There go the other one right here. Right here. Okay. Watch that.
There's no missing teeth here. Yeah. It's still going.
There go the new sensor he changed. And there go the old one that didn't get changed. And that one is leaking oil. This one right here.
It should be a gasket on it.
Yeah, when I scanned the car earlier, I told you it got a couple of things it's showing. Camshaft sensor. This is the camshaft sensor. I see the old one right here. And I see one. Y'all changed one. Y'all didn't change the other one. So the timing is set. And the timing is set down there. This is the special tool to prove that it's set. Because it sits right in there. And this right here too. If you do that, it sits right in there too. So now I'm going to remove it and we're going to put everything back together. Right there. I can put it back again to show you that. There you go. It sits right in there. And sits right in there. So if you can see, wiggle it a little bit. Sits right in there. See that?
Yeah, I think we're doing this for future references. Just in case we had the same problem, we are not going to do it again. Because the chance of a week, what's that thing called?
Nothing better get a tensioner.
Tensioner?
Yeah, tensioner pulley.
It's better to buy this thing from AutoZone or somewhere where they got that gold mark.